Hello guys, welcome to Happy India channel. Today I'm going to share my experience about vaccination, and I have taken the dose 1 of vaccine. From in this video I'm going to tell you about which vaccination I have taken, where I have taken, what vaccine I have taken, and how I got a slot, and what are my symptoms after the vaccination. These things I'm going to explain in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions about vaccination, please comment below so I can reply to your answers. And okay, and please don't ask me where I have booked the slot. First question only. I have not booked the slots, guys. My office given me the slot for me, so I went through my office. And the next question, everyone asks which vaccination I will take. I have taken the Covaxin, guys, not Covishield. Covaxin I have taken. Any symptoms? Symptoms, I have only the pain in the hand, like for a day, and I got so much of sleep. I don't know. Actually, I will not get to sleep. I'll only sleep up to 6 to 7 hours daily. But after vaccination, I have slept up to 9 hours, 9 to 10 hours. I don't know. I got to sleep that much, and I don't have any other symptoms, guys. No body pains, no fever, nothing. Little bit of warmness of body happened at 2 o'clock. The next day, I have taken a slot at 2 afternoon, 3rd of this month afternoon, 1 o'clock, 1:15 exactly. I have taken a shot. I got a little bit warm. I woke up at the night, midnight, 2 o'clock. I got little bit warm in my chilliness, something like that. But after 15 to 20 minutes, it went out. But I got only symptom is hand pain. Now it's been all around 48 hours. After this 48 hours I'm making this video. Now I don't have anything, even the hand pain also is gone. This is the symptoms I got. And where I have taken the vaccine, I have taken in the Bangalore, guys. I'm staying in the Bangalore. I got from Apollo, Bangalore, Bannerghatta. Thank you so much, Apollo, for making this happen. And what is the process? I love the process, guys. The management of the Apollo is very good. They have maintained, and the only things I don't like it is people are not at all maintaining social distance, guys. See, if no police, no doctor, no one should tell us that to maintain the social distance. It's our duty to maintain the social distance. If you are not following it, it's our thing. Okay, if you are telling that government is not doing anything, guys, we are adults. We have to know that we have to maintain social distance. Some protocols we have to follow from ourselves. No one will say that do this thing. If there is a poison, government has to say and tell that it's a poison. We have to know that it's a poison, don't drink. Same formula has to apply over here. So don't throw everything to the government, guys, and don't throw anything to the management. We have to follow some protocols before abusing the government. Any government, I'm not supporting any government, guys. Yes, we have some flaw in our government. So we cannot do anything. We are the normal people. We are just a normal people. We don't want to fight with the system. Just we can change the system by doing some good things. That's it. At least we come to know how the people are there of this pandemic, how the people will work, which politicians we have to elect. Okay, these things we have to see from the next elections. Okay, I prefer this time, I'm openly saying that prefer this time one educated person as a prime minister. I'm not saying that our prime minister is the bad, good, nothing, but education should be there to these things. Even our CM, prime minister, our local ministers should be educated. At least they have to know some knowledge about what's happening around the world. Okay, they are good to heart. Every politician is working so hard to control the virus, but our system is like this. We can't do anything. And coming to the things, I have I have changed the topic, sorry. And then coming to the virus things, I have coming to the vaccine thing. This has happened. I have taken Covaxin from the Apollo, Bangalore. I'll put you some clips. I have taken some short video over there how the people are not maintaining the social distance. Especially I have taken that, and I'll show you that where hospital building also. That's it, guys. If you have any questions on regarding about vaccination, which vaccination is good, which vaccine, I'll do one video about the vaccination, how the vaccination is made, which vaccine, how it made. Like that, I'll put one short video. By tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it will come. If you have any doubts, please mention your doubt on the comment. I'll do reply it. And please guys, it's maybe Covishield, it's maybe Sputnik, it's maybe a Covaxin. Please take the vaccine as much as possible. As much as fast, and don't delay it. See, the thing I'll always do, if we have to take the vaccination, maybe today or tomorrow, doesn't matter, right? We have to take the vaccine. Take as soon as possible. Don't delay it. If you got a slot, run it. Whatever, maybe you got a Covishield, go. You got Covaxin, go and take it. That's it. Don't see other things. I got a fever, I'll get a things. Okay, the fever is good symptom only. If you get the fever, it's very, very good. And if you not get a fever also, it's very good. So don't see about symptoms. See, we have to vaccine, and after vaccination also, guys, please wear a mask, sanitize it, and don't go outside unnecessarily. These things are very much important, and that's it. Please save yourself, save your families. No government, no person is gonna come and help you on this one. We have to fear before affecting the corona. Just think, if you're going out, my formula, if you're going out, I'll think everyone has a COVID, so I'll take my own precaution. That's the thing. If I'm going out for to buy vegetables, any groceries, I'll think the opposite person has COVID, so I'll maintain social distance automatically. You think about like this. If you're going out, every person have the COVID, so please maintain the social distance automatically. You will get a fear. After getting a COVID, you don't want to get a fear, because you've already got a COVID. Then what is the point of getting fear? So before COVID only, we have to be fear about ourselves, that we don't want to get the virus and affected ourselves and our families. So please take precautions, take safety protocols, all the protocols, and all the world is telling that what protocols have to take. So I don't want to tell again these protocols. Take as much as safety. Don't go outside. Use mask. Use sanitize. That's it. If you have any doubts, please put a comment I'll do reply. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope everyone is fine. Thank you. Hello guys, I came for the vaccination today. I got a token like this. Actually I have the slot, but they given the token again. I got the number of 62. I came from Apollo. It's in Bangalore. I'll show the main building also, but I came to back side. So I don't want to put there. I don't want to stand there in front of those many places. I'll show you the remaining things once the vaccine is done, and I'll tell my experience also, how the vaccination experience until now. Guys, this is where I got the vaccine. It's a very smooth process, guys, and this is the main hospital. It's Apollo, Bangalore. It's the Imperial Research Center. I'll give the details.